Now, if you haven't heard about Anchor, it's the easiest way to make a podcast. So let me explain. First off, it's free. I'm not joking, you guys. The Anchor app, it is free to use. Second, there's creation tools that allows you to record and edit your podcast right from your phone or computer. Now that's awesome, isn't it? Third, Anchor will distribute your podcast for you so it can be heard everywhere, you guys, on Spotify, Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, and so many more platforms. Fourth, you can make money from your podcast with no minimum listenership. Now, is that awesome, you guys, or what? That's just terrific. And finally, it's everything you need to make a podcast in one place. So I have another podcast with Anchor, and I'm just loving Anchor so much. I love it. It's so very easy to use, guys. So why don't you download the free Anchor app today or go to anchor.fm to get started. What's up, you guys, and welcome to the official podcast of Damian Talks Education. So listen up. I am here to talk about all things education on my podcast. So get prepared for some realness and honesty of education as I walk you down through various of topics that's happening in the education world with some amazing guests, to sharing stories relating to education and so much more, because I got you covered with education. So join me on this journey of education with me. So sorry, guys. I got some terrible lighting. I'm trying to and I look bad. And besides, I'm still in my PJs, which I'm going to explain in a little bit. But this is going to be a day in the life vlog. Show you guys what happens, in a day of my life. So, but actually. I'm actually, because I'm looking around my room right now, you guys. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying to clear something out of my throat. And then, you guys, I look horrible. Like I said, I'm still in my PJs, which I'm going to explain, because I'm actually looking around my room, you guys. Woo, okay. It's a hot mess. My room is a hot mess. So let me show you guys. My bed, my gosh, like everywhere in my room, you guys. I got lots of, this area is gonna be the most cleaned up. So yeah, I got lots, you guys. I got lots. So actually, this is gonna be come clean with me vlog for today. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. But first, you guys, I need to get out of these PJs that I'm wearing. I need to get out of these. So I'm gonna put you guys down, get myself dressed, get myself ready, find some clothes for today, and then I'm gonna start the cleanup process. So let's get this started. Now, as you can see, I am already dressed, you guys. I showed you the shirt I was gonna put on. I showed you guys the outfit I was gonna have on. Because for me, you guys, when I clean, I don't know, I like to dress up. That's just with me. Why? I don't know. And as you can tell, again, sorry you guys, throughout the duration of this video, if I haven't said it already, my lighting is gonna be terrible. So I apologize in advance. And plus, you guys, I got the hiccups. Wow, my gosh, come on now. So yeah, let's go down the agenda for this vlog here, which is I'm going to be cleaning up my room. So the first task I'm going to knock down is my bed, which is right, I don't know if you guys can see right there. You can see because here's my desk. Oh, I apologize for that hiccup. Is my bed. I need to do that first because I'm supposed to do that when I first get up, right? I don't on some days. So I'm gonna tackle that down. Then when I finish with my bed, I'm probably gonna go around the room because that is what I usually do. Is if I do my bed first or whenever I start cleaning up, I usually go around the room. And the last thing I finish up is my desk right here. That is where I usually finish up. So I'm gonna go around the room. That's where I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna show you guys the process around the room. And the last stop is gonna be this desk right here. Okay. So I'm going to tackle that down. So yeah. And then, well, I mean, I'm trying to think, you guys, because why am I dressed up today, you guys? You might be wondering, like, why in the world you dressing up to clean up your room? Well, actually, you guys, today is my recording day. Let's start that over again, okay? Today is actually my recording day of Damian Talks Education. I gotta record the premiere episode, so that's why I'm dressed up, which is the premiere episode. By the time that this vlog comes out, the premiere episode is already out, so make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already. So that is why I am dressed up on today, because I gotta look good. So yeah, all right, so with all the rambling out of the way, let's get started. And I made sure you guys making up my bed how I make it up. So I'm gonna put you guys down and then I will be back shortly. All right, so let's get this started. And voila, you guys, step one is completed. Doesn't it look so clean, you guys? All right, so that job is done. So the next I am going to work on is this area right over here, you guys, which should not take me much. It should just take me, just a few minutes. All right, so I'm gonna put you down like before, and let's get into this. right, now as you guys can tell, oh, my finger's in the way. Part two, agenda number 2 is done. Now, as you guys can see, I didn't do nothing in this area because it really much didn't need much cleaning to do. I mean, it could, but I just didn't want to fool with this because my main focus was this dresser right here. As you can tell, the top is clean. I got it all organized. I got my mask, of course, you know, Ziploc bags. Got my planner here. Well, planner slash journal underneath here. Good things come to those who hustle. And wipes, you guys, you can see. Make it focus, okay? And then down here, I got it all clean as well as just, you know, personal items, whatever. Then goes over here, all of my shoes. So, yeah. So agenda number 2 done. Now, what's next is, and I know I probably look terrible. So what's next on the agenda number 3 is this over here, my friends, my dresser area. And I may clean, I don't know, I'll come back to that, but the dresser part. And as you can tell, it's currently 10:14 a.m. right now. So let's get started with the dresser, all right? And I'll catch you guys later. So now I have finished cleaning off my dresser, you guys. Everything is so organized and precise. See, back here looks nice. So yeah, everything looks nice. All right, now the next thing on my agenda is I'm actually, you guys, going to record the premiere episode of Damian Talks Education, which is, I said, is already out now by the time this vlog goes out. So I'm going to show you guys the process of how I record episodes. So let's get into it. Season 5 of Damian Talks Education. I have been waiting so long to say that. My gosh, it's been forever since I did episodes of Damian Talks Education, but you guys, I am back. Yes. So you guys, settle down in. I am in my comfy old chair here, and I am dressed up here on today because it is a big day over here. The season 5 premiere, back with all new episodes, and thank you guys waiting so patiently for me to upload new episodes. I thank you guys so much. So let's hop right into here, okay? So let's hop right into this here. And before I get started, you guys, I am actually, I'm going to be probably looking down in this episode, probably maybe because you guys, I am actually recording a snippet of an upcoming episode, which is going to be later down into the season a day in a life, and I got my phone here recording myself. So yeah, right here. So I'm recording myself. Hey. So yeah. All right, you guys. So let's hop right into this. All right, you guys. I'm still sitting in the chair, you guys, because I just finished recording the season 5 premiere episode of Damian Talks Education, like I said, which is out now. So I'm just waiting for it, to finish downloading so I could get to work on that, all the editing process and all that good stuff. And while that's going, you guys, I am going to tackle my next agenda on the list for today, which is over here on my couch area. Let me show you this here. Let me show you. Okay, you see this? You see this area here? This is where I mainly pile up lots and lots of stuff. Can you guys tell? Look at that. That is awful. So, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm probably not gonna show you guys the process of it. I just show you guys how it looks. But I will show you guys the finishing process of, I just show you guys the before look, and I'm going to show you guys the after look. So I'm going to let you guys go, and I will be back, okay? So stay put. All right, you guys, I just showed you the after photo of my couch. It's quite almost still look the same, but I cleaned off. I took everything off and cleaned off. So thanks for that. That'll be it, you guys. Thanks for joining me on Come Clean With Me Day. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you did, let me know. And if you want to see more content of this or any more, just let me know. And until then, you guys, take care of yourself, be blessed, and I'll see you guys next time, because this is Damian Talks Education. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.